Hello, this is Shy, my daughter, and she's going to show you how to plug the truck in to regular power source, like if you were going to power it on at your house, and then she's going to show you how to plug it in to actually run if you are just running on a day-to-day basis. Okay.
This plug goes to your house. Whichever plug you're going to run to the house, this plug goes to it. This adapter is what's going to adapt to a regular 3-prong plug. Okay? This you're going to run to the truck. This goes plugged in directly to the truck. This side for your house, this side for the truck. You want to line up these two, and you can see in here, right here, this is what you want to line up with. There it is. To the side. And then you just plug this into your extension at home.
So there's the extension. Yep, just regular cord. And this cord literally goes around the back of our house and gets plugged into a regular 115 socket. Okay?
Okay.
Now show them how to do the make the generator the power source.
Okay. So, in order to power up here, you need to get another adapter for here. So you're gonna remove this piece, and you want to keep that handy. Don't lose that. This turns your plug into plug ready for your generator.
Okay, show them how to start the generator.
Before you plug in, you want to start the generator and allow it to run. There's a fuel and a throttle.
Leave the throttle there.
You need the throttle here to start. And you need the fuel turn. So it should be straight up and down, aligned with the ground. This is just one push to start.
There you go. Do the choke.
Let it run. Here's your adapter.
That's the wrong one. Yep.
You want to line up the hook? And turn.
Now show them how to undo it.
Turn it off. Let's go first.
And you should let the generator run for about 5 minutes before you actually loading onto it. Make sure to unload the generator before you turn it off. So take all load off of the generator. And like I said, let it run about 5 or 10 minutes before you load on. All right? Okay, now we're going to show you after this one how to light the gas fryer and stove.